That's an extra old creamy cheese sauce on the top of the broccoli and some fried pork chops. Today we're making sodium citrate cheese sauce. We can take any kind of cheese and make it liquid and silky smooth. Today I'm making a silky smooth cheese sauce. Extra old cheese. It's very easy to make. I've got my pan preheating. I'm going to put in 2 ounces of water. Bring it to a boil. And I've got sodium citrate here, 3/4 of a teaspoon. Let's put that in. Sodium citrate, you can get it on Amazon or on eBay. And that's taken me 2 years to use twice that amount. I have it about twice a month. The recipe for this cheese sauce will be below in the comments. Okay, so the sodium citrate has dissolved in the water and it's nice and warm. I've got 3 ounces or 80 grams of extra old cheese. That's my favorite. You can use any cheese you like really, but the harder the cheese, the better it works, I think. And you can use a whisk. I'm just going to use a spatula today. Keep on stirring. It should have the consistency of a melted Velveeta cheese, except this isn't processed. This cheese sauce is really good on eggs, and it's good on vegetables. Okay, that looks good to me. I'll put this on the hard-boiled eggs. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of Louisiana-style hot sauce. There you go. There's a good breakfast with some nice creamy cheddar cheese sauce. Thanks for watching.